Gian Angelo Pungo will receive a medal from the office of the Governor URE. In reading in their class. He will also receive a certificate and a trophy from the Vice Mayor's office. Here is the content. Office of the Municipal Vice Mayor, First Vice Mayor's Academic Trophy of Excellence is hereby awarded to preschoolers first honors. This aims to encourage preschoolers to pursue their excellence towards their academic performance and produce world-class professionals. This First Vice Mayor's Academic Trophy of Excellence is given by Honorable Vice Mayor Eduardo T. Lozano to Gian Angelo C. Pungo of preschool class of Santa Teresa Central School for being the first honors for the school year 2010-2011. Signed, Honorable Eduardo T. Lozano. Congratulations.
Second honors, Andrea A.